Hey guys, it's Erin here. I just got my brand new Color Street kit in the mail, and here I am just about to open it for the first time and check out and see what's in it. So I decided to sign up because I did a little bit of research with the company and kind of had a little crush on the inventor. He's quite the guy. So modest, and I think his story is very neat. You should check it out. So, inside the box, opening it up, you can see right there some stuff slipping out. Here are some of my twosies. And we'll take this first tray. You can see that. Set it aside. And then here's the rest of the box. A little flyer, a little bit about the company. There's that founder and inventor. You should really read up on his story. It's very good. And a how to apply worksheet. Let's see. There's also a Color Street bag that you can carry your kit around, or if you want to make it your purse, you can keep your twosies in there. There's the bag. It's a nice canvas bag. I've heard you can actually get inserts for the bag that help keep your stuff separated and nice. There's a little welcome kit, and unfortunately the nail polish remover pads are currently out of stock. So they added an extra set of nail strips to my kit for the inconvenience, which, great. I can find nail polish remover pads in a little screw top lid for fairly cheap and just keep those in my purse if I should need them. So got that little note from them. You get 2 packages of the little emery boards for putting in your packs with your twosies or handing out as needed, or if you have a nail bar party, you can use those. It also gives you some information about becoming a stylist to hand out to people who might be interested, and then also some spring and summer catalogs. The nail prep pads are alcohol pads, and they help to get all the soap residue or lotion residue that you might have off of your nails before you apply your strips. Very nice to have. You can also use the alcohol pads you can get at eye care places for cleaning glasses. And a bunch of the little wooden orange sticks, I guess is what they're called. They've got a little point and then a nice little beveled edge where it can use to like push around the cuticle. Put those in your kits with your twosies. And then a Road to Success Jumpstart book. And that helps me keep up with what I'm supposed to be doing to sell these. I love all of the help they give you. All right, let's get to the fun part. I would like to check out the styles I've got. So, first, they send a couple of these really nice emery boards in a plastic case. I can't wait to use those. I'm always losing mine. And they sent 2 of the buffer pads for filing, shining, polishing, and buffing your nails. And then let's see what I've got for my twosies. I think we're supposed to get about 2 to 4 styles for the twosies. And the price of the kit is great too. It's $128 plus the taxes and fees for shipping. But you get, in my case, I think 14 packs because I got the extra pack. So let's see here. I've got lots of glitter ones. I love these. Does it tell me? Oh, I got the Tokyo Lights twosies. These are the best. Show those to you right there. It doesn't quite Oh, there we go. Those are very pretty. Is that all I got? If I only got Tokyo lights for my twosies, I would be happy with that. Oh, these are beautiful. I think I did. I got all Tokyo lights for my twosies. They know that those are what really hook people, I think. Okay, now let's look at the other sets that I got. And you don't have to have product on hand. But because I am a Color Street newbie, and because I am almost a nail polish newbie in general, I thought it would be fun to do a first time application video with my first time applying them to see what kinds of problems I might run into and how to fix them. So somebody else might have the same problem. And, or I can show just how easy they are. Okay, let's see here. We've got beautiful. So this is my stack of nails that I've got. This is exactly how they look when they come from the orders. This one is, wow, very, very pretty. This one is Long Time No See. It's kind of a glittery ombre color. And then I've got some solids like Giza Sands and Himalayan Salt. I really like that pink. It's a very nice, flattering, soft pink. Let's see here. I got some other glittery ones. Coral Bay. That's another pretty ombre glitter. And Upper East Side. So they gave me quite a few. And, oh, I got the palm tree ones. And the dripping in diamonds. I've seen a lot of neat tips for using dripping in diamonds over your favorite solid color or even patterned. They've turned out really neat. No Way San Jose. I got the polka dots, which I was really hoping to get because I didn't splurge and buy those in my friend's party. The same with this one, the Feeling Marvelous. It's so pretty, and I will be able to mix and match those with lots of solids, both from my order and from my kit. Aspen Sky is a pretty blue with Water You Up To. Oh, and what is this? Less bitter, more glitter. That's a pretty one. That's another one that will go over a solid really nicely. And then I did get a pedicure strip with the Anyfin Goes, with the mermaid look. Sorry, my camera's not great. So I can't wait to get some little cute bags and put my handout kits together with my twosies and the emery board and the application pads. I can't wait to start my first nail pedicure or manicure. Oh, and I'll do a pedicure as well. And thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope you watch my next one.